Hello and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I just got back from a walk, so I'm sweaty, but that's good for me, right? This is my week 1 results video. Technically it's only 6 days because I started the day after my birthday, but each week we'll start on Wednesday after the weigh-in and end on the next Wednesday morning's weigh-in. From here on out, and I'll try to get the video done and uploaded by Friday or Saturday, I promise. And if I have time, maybe some bonus updates or tips in between. Everything's still in the works, so please tell me what you want to hear. If you haven't watched the first intro video and day 1 weigh-in video, then stop right now, hit subscribe first, so you get notified when I release a new video, and then go to my main channel and watch both of the 2 first videos. Or if you've already watched them, then go ahead and watch them again. I need as many YouTube watch hours as I can get with this new channel. Oh yeah, do the subscribe thing. Did I tell you to do that? I don't remember. Did I? Yeah, go ahead. Do a subscribe, please. So my last day 1 video, I weighed in at 340.6 pounds and almost died on my first walk. Remember, my current step goal is only 6,000 steps versus the 2,000 or less that I did normally. So anything is better that I do now. So on that first Thursday, February 27th, I did 6,601 steps and ate 1,727 calories. That's not bad for my first day. As I said in the last video, you can see anything that I eat each day, everything I eat each day, in myfitnesspal.com's online gallery. The link is in the description below. So yeah, the first day was good, but the second day, not so much. I failed to get my steps in. But on that Friday, February 28th, the good news is I weighed in at 337.7 pounds, which means I lost 2.9 pounds overnight. And that was pre-poo. Pre-poo, that's the term I'm gonna use for every weigh-in. I ate 1,633 calories. And remember, MyFitnessPal for the daily food diary in the description. The link's down there. The bad news, I only did 3,340 steps. Total failure. I'm like, way to go, Mark. Off to a great start. I just got way too busy that Friday. I was at a client's in Sanford half the day, and then I had to go to the data center and check on a server. Anyway, time just got away. Plus, I wanted to get the day 1 weigh-in video finished and uploaded, which I finally did on Saturday. I'm kind of counterproductive, right? Maybe I was just tired from the death walk the day before, I don't know. But by making these videos, I've created even more work for myself. And until I get organized with it, I kind of started this whole thing at the last second, and I'm still creating graphics and formats and animations and websites and blogs and all that on top of my normal workload. Plus I'm trying to walk, so either way, it's all motivation for me to lose the weight I need to shed off. So on to Saturday, February 29th. I weighed in at 334.9 pre-poo, and that's another 2.8 pounds lost. So that's 5.7 pounds down in 2 days. Now I know they say, don't weigh yourself every day, but I say, screw them. I'm gonna weigh myself every day, every morning. When I get up, and I'll be able to make a cool graph in the end. Yeah, I know the 5.9 pounds is probably just water weight and not any type of fat loss, obviously, in 2 days. It's probably just the rest of the beer I drank on my birthday. I mean, a gallon of water weighs 8.34 pounds. So drink one, and boom, you just gained 10 pounds or 8 pounds. I don't know. I've always drank more than 10 ounces of glass of water in a day, and water's pretty much all I drink. I'll have a random coffee once or twice a month, and maybe a beer. But as I told you before, I'm not drinking any alcohol for the first month, and maybe more. We'll see. So that day for steps, I failed again. 2 days in a row. I only did 4,287 steps. It was another full day in the morning, and I fiddled around with YouTube backend and worked on some other projects. And then I went to lunch with my family and friends and ate a huge salad. And then got a call from a client and went help her, and then had another client and set up a laptop for him, and so there's the rest of the day shot. No excuses, but I guess that's my excuse. Work again. But on that Saturday, I ate 1,757 calories worth of food. Again, see everything I eat down in the description. MyFitnessPal. All right, so on to Sunday, March 1st. That day, I weighed in 335.1 pre-poo, and that's 0.2 of a pound up. Oh no, I'm going backwards. Could be the $13 salad I ate at lunch the day before. Why the hell do restaurants rip people off on salads when they're trying to be healthy? There's no way a friggin' bowl of lettuce costs $13 with whatever they put in it. I got my highest steps of the week today, 7,881. And anyway, I went to the gym with my friend Kim as a guest and did the treadmill and some abdomen exercises. I don't know, I guess basically my second attempt at walking since I almost died. And it went over much better than the first one. Take a look at this. All right, so here we are now on Sunday. I'm meeting my friend Kim at Planet Fitness so she can get me in there for free, and I'm gonna do some walking since I already screwed up on Friday and Saturday and didn't get my 6,000 steps in because I worked all day and night again, and apparently the gym closes at 7 o'clock on Saturdays and Sundays, so it was just too late for me to walk, and it was freezing cold outside. Well, to us Floridians it was. It was like 60, 55 something last night, and I was gonna go outside walking, but I did do a few laps inside of Walmart. Anyway, off to the gym. All right, so I'm walking in the gym with Kim. Planet Fitness. Here we go. Hopefully I don't die. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna walk on the treadmill. We got 1,297 steps right now. If you can read that, I don't know. We'll see. All right, so here we go. Wish me luck. All right, so here I am on the treadmill. I'm about the same spot as I was the first time I walked, at 3/4 of a mile. I'm not walking as fast, so I'm just walking flat with no hills. And we're gonna see, my goal is to just walk for a half hour and see how far I actually go in that time, where I don't burn myself out. All right, so here we are at the gym still. We're 1 mile in. You can read that. 22 minutes. As you can see, I'm not about to croak out this time, but I'm not walking as fast. Or up hills or down hills. So I'm gonna keep going until I get to a half hour. All right, I'm at 30 minutes and I'm still alive. So I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna wait till I get to 1.5 miles at least. It's not too much longer. All right, gone over 32 minutes, coming up on 1.5. I'll start my watch a little later. I think I'm doing a lot better this time, but I am walking slower. Didn't start out crazy. Much better. Slower pace. All right, 1.5 miles. That's good for today. Yeah, I feel like I'm still moving. It's weird. But anyway, that's it for the gym day one. We're gonna mix things up. We're gonna try gyms, outsides, other gyms, whatever it takes to get my steps in. I'll see where I'm at now. Well, I'm still at the gym, waiting for Kim to get done, but I did some this ab spinner machine, torso rotations. See if that helps. I did some of these abdominal. I don't know. The treadmill jipped me on my steps. I wasn't holding on, but I don't think I got the right steps. I came off there with like 5,500, so I know I did more than that. My watch is saying 56 right now, so I'm just gonna walk around the gym some more until I get 6,000, even though I'm over that, I know it. For the first round on the treadmill, I jipped myself out of some steps, so I redid another round of 5 minutes to do another quarter mile. There we go. There we got 6,181. Hoo-ah. That's much better, huh? And today I ate 1,926 calories in food. Down in the description. See what I ate. All right, so we're getting there. So now's a great time to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. That's a good thing to do, please. It will help me out a lot. And any comments will also help out a lot. All right, so on to Monday, March 2nd. On that day, I weighed in at 333.1 pre-poo. And that day, I worked and then also went to the gym again with Kim as a guest. And here's the highlights of that day. All right, so now it's Monday, March 2nd. Going back to Planet Fitness again. Kim's gonna get me in and we're going to do some more walking and some more ab twists, maybe. I don't know. I gotta get my 7,000 steps in, or really 6,000. I've got 1366 going in. So I gotta come out with more than 6,000 steps again. Here we go. All right, my 1 mile. Did that one 21 minutes. So I don't feel as winded or bad yet. I'm gonna keep on going until I get to 30 minutes at least. We'll see. All right, 30 minutes. Almost got 1.5. That's better than yesterday. I'm gonna keep going until I get to 1.5. 1.5. I'll keep going for a little while longer. See what Kim wants to do. All right, so I did 1.68 miles, 35 minutes. That's a wrap today on the walking machine. Much better. See, exercise is getting easier for me already. I wound up taking 6,963 steps on Monday and only ate 1,380 calories worth of food. So, not a bad Monday. All right, so now on Tuesday, March 3rd, I weighed in at 331.6 pre-poo. And that was another bust of a day. I worked all day and evening, and then I failed again with only 3,310 in total steps. But I only ate 1,158 calories. So, again, food in the description. All right, so last day of the week, Wednesday, which is March 4th, I weighed in at 331.8 pounds. Pre-poo. Even with all the missteps, I think what I did was a good start. And eating less and better helped out too. So remember, I'm going to be cutting off each week at the Wednesday weigh-in, and then start out the next week with the end of the day each Wednesday. From here on out, that's how the videos are going to go. So Wednesday to Wednesday, but starting in the morning, or ending in the morning and starting in the afternoon. So that's all for this week, I guess. Let's do a recap of my Get Fit by 50 week. In basically 6 days, I lost 8.8 pounds, which is pretty encouraging to me. Even though I failed to walk my goal of 6,000 steps, I think I showed improvement and still lost some weight. Yeah, I failed 3 out of 6 days, but whatever. I cut back somewhat on my food portions, tried to eat a little better, but I'm not on any specific diet plan. I told you, I'm winging it. I'm just eating what I want and not going to give up on carbs or fat right now. I like carbs. I'm not going to give them up, at least right now. You're going to find out that I'm a master microwave chef, and most of the food that I eat pretty much just comes from the microwave. I buy TV dinners and crap that probably have too much sodium, but again, we're going to work on all that. Like I said, I'm a busy person, and saving time is the key. So I will get fit by 50. I guarantee it. One way or another, I'm going to lose 100 pounds or more. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for next week. And please, please, remember to use your turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.